What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Oraimo. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys all know, last time we reviewed the Oraimo Bluetooth speakers, but today we got something called the Palm. Yeah, there we go. So as some of you guys can see, this is called the Palm by Oraimo. Now, I saw this speaker by someone and it captured me so many times. Like, it's really good, not quite bad for sports activity or just for, you know, hiking, or just go somewhere outside, just want to chill around and listen to music, or exploring or enjoying a certain content. I think this is the best speaker to go, and it's quite not expensive. It's a really budget, and I think the sound is going to be awesome. So we're going to just test it, we're going to just unbox it, and we see how this speaker is performing, and we have a conclusion if this kind of bad boy it's really worth it, or you know what I mean, nah. But I believe that this speaker is quite really great. I love the packaging. Oraimo, you didn't disappoint in here compared to that speaker at the back, which I'm not even turning it on, and this one looks really cool. So let us just get started through the video today, guys, and see what's packed with the Palm speaker. So yeah, we're gonna just get started through unboxing it and see what's packed through the speaker. So first thing first is to remove these stickers at this side and on this side too, so as we can release our speaker, which is really good. I like the packaging, really dope. So this is our speaker, guys, but I'm gonna keep it aside first. I want to see what's inside the packaging, to be honest. So this is the packaging, really good packaging. The designer here, he really did a great and amazing job. And yeah, so you're getting a USB micro. So I wish this speaker had a USB Type-C, but it uses the micro USB, which is quite not bad. So still quite not bad. Another kind of stuff, you get the carabiner, which this one you can lock it. Is it called carabiner? I guess that's the name. And you can just keep it through here, or you can lock it somewhere and stays on your jeans or your bag, anywhere you'd like. It's really amazing. And that's it, nothing else on the box. That's the only thing. And another kind of stuff I forgot is the paperwork. So you have just to read the paperwork and understand what's going on. So yeah, so guys, this is our speaker. I really like the way they kept it. I'll be honest, really good design. And through here you can see these are the ports, the micro USB and the jack port, which if you have an external iPod or you want to connect it with your phone without a Bluetooth, I don't know why you want to do that, but anyways, it's there. So another kind of stuff in here, this is a waterproof one, so you can see every stuff throughout here going on. It's silicone because it's a waterproof, but usually I don't rely on Oraimo standard of waterproof, so it's quite not bad. Another kind of stuff, we're gonna just turn it on right now and see what's happening.
On. Welcome to Oraimo Audio.
Okay.
Pairing.
Okay, quite not bad. I like the greeting. So we're gonna just do a pairing and test the speaker. You can hear it. Quite not bad. What about we push it? Okay. Not bad at all. But seems like this speaker has too much bass compared to this one. It's not, I feel like it's not balancing. Like this is too much, like too much bass. You can hear it. So let me find another type of music so as we can test it, okay? I feel like this one speaker, what it does, it just go over high. Just listen. Another kind of stuff, we didn't talk about the specification throughout this kind of bad boy. Well, it comes with the Bluetooth version 5.0 and it has a Bluetooth range of 10 meters, and it comes with the battery capacity of 400 milliamp of battery, which can last you up to 5 hours or 4.5 hours, and it's quite not bad. And it supports 3.5mm aux in, which is really convenient. So Yeah, guys, this is the Palm from Oraimo. Let me know in the comments down below what captured you mostly. Well, this kind of speaker, another kind of stuff which I didn't talk about it comes with 3 colors, which there's a red one, there's a little bit like gold one, a little bit goldish, black, feels like black or something, quite not bad. So this is how it looks, this is how it feels. It's a really good and amazing speakers. Let us just be honest, quite not bad if you're traveling, you're hiking, you're just somewhere outside, you want to listen to good music. It's quite not bad to just be having this kind of speaker, and it's a really budget. I understand from a price of $25 or $23, you might be getting much better speaker throughout AliExpress or even other kind of marketing place out there. You might be just getting something which is much more decent, especially like if you top it up a little bit, like you go for $30, you might be getting even an Anchor speaker, which it has very good sound and much longer battery capacity. But today we just had to test this bad boy and see how it is. So from the scale of 10 to 0, I'm gonna rate this speaker for around 5. Yeah, I'm gonna give it 5 because captured me throughout the way they kept it. Good form factor, not bad. And secondly, looks a little bit much premium. If I'm gonna keep it throughout the lineup of JBL Go series, it might be standing out a little bit, but quite not bad. So that's what's up, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what captured you mostly throughout the speaker of the day. And another kind of stuff, if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And another kind of stuff, I'll be seeing you guys on the next tech video. As some of you guys all know, you're new, make sure you're sub because of what? Because you just don't want to miss out any tech video. If you miss out, come on, that's for another day. Catch you guys on the next one, and peace.